Blink, errors, caution, some things you need to know. There are two things that should really concern every Blink owner. The first thing that we need to be concerned about is that Blink will not record two cameras simultaneously. If an event is happening at the front door and at the back door at the same time, these two cameras will not record both events. They won't do it. The sync module will determine which event happened first, which one started first, and then it will begin to record that one while leaving the other footage blank. It will not record this one. Now, if the first activity stops, it's going to start picking up on the second one. It's a bummer, isn't it? So there could be a possibility of something happening on your property at 2 or 3 locations, depending on how many Blink cameras that you have, but only one of them will get recorded at that moment. Now, this also is backed up. If you look in your Blink app, you will discover that you cannot watch or view 2 cameras at once. You can only see 1 camera at a time. And that is how it also records, 1 camera at a time. Something to think about. So because of that, I would recommend us having a backup camera. There are plenty to choose from on Amazon. Of course, I like the Reolink camera system. I call it one of those pop-up cameras. It has its own solar panel connected to it, and you just screw it right into a tree. I like that, looking back at the house, your mailbox, or some other place on the property that fills in the gap, all right? Because if you have multiples of these around your property, and if something happens at the same time, it's not going to capture it. Just be aware of that. Now, the second thing that you will inevitably encounter, if you haven't already encountered it, is that when a live event takes place and you hit your camera button to see what's happening, sometimes you will get, camera busy. What? Really? The camera is busy? Yeah, it's busy because I want to know what's going on. No, while this camera is recording, sometimes it won't let you see the live footage until it's done doing what it's doing. Now, Blink says that's an error. Duh, absolutely, it's an error. And I believe they're working to resolve that. But at the moment, you may miss out on something. Now, it's possibly recording what you're not seeing, but in the meanwhile, it is definitely distracting. There's nothing you can do about it at the moment, but have a backup camera. Not another Blink, but another camera system. Like I said a moment ago, like another pop-up camera. You can go with the Arlo camera system or Reolink. There are many others, but I would not suggest you spending over $100 for this backup camera unless you have some other application that you need to, something that's really secure. You're really gonna need to see it. All right, so there you have it. Those are the 2 cautions I need to give you today. 1, multi-camera Blinks will not record at the same time. It's going to record either one or the other. Something to think about. And also, you may receive a camera error message or camera busy message, which is another reason to have a backup camera in that location. Got it? All right, there are some other things that are happening, and we're going to talk about those as the time goes on. So make sure you subscribe or click the like button. Leave me a comment if you're finding out these same issues. I would love to talk to you about it there in the comment area below. Maybe I can give you some more recommendations as well, or maybe you have some recommendations for a good stick-up camera, something with a solar cell, something that's very low maintenance that everybody can receive. All right, until the next time, keep on learning. Thanks for watching the Teach Me channel. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with another Blink owner so that they'll be in the know. Check out these videos, and we'll see you next time.